best midsize sports sedans for 2024 Audi S5. In the highly competitive segment of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Audi S5 stands out as a perfect blend of performance, elegance, and advanced technology. Audi has continued to refine and innovate with the S5, ensuring it remains a top contender for those seeking a dynamic driving experience coupled with luxurious comfort. The heart of the 2024 Audi S5 is its powerful 3.0-liter TFSI V6 engine. This engine delivers an impressive 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, offering robust acceleration and seamless power delivery. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission, the S5 provides quick and precise shifts, enhancing the overall driving experience. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard, ensuring excellent traction and stability across various driving conditions. The S5 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, showcasing its performance credentials. Audi has equipped the S5 with a sport-tuned suspension and adaptive dampers, which together provide a balanced ride that is both comfortable and engaging. The car's dynamic steering system further enhances its handling capabilities, making it agile and responsive in corners while maintaining stability on straightaways. The exterior design of the 2024 Audi S5 is both aggressive and refined. The sleek and aerodynamic silhouette is complemented by Audi's distinctive single-frame grille, LED headlights, and sculpted lines. The S5's sporty character is emphasized by features such as 19-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and aluminum mirror caps. These design elements not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency. Inside, the 2024 S5 offers a luxurious cabin adorned with high-quality materials. Valcona leather upholstery, brushed aluminum trim, and ambient lighting create a sophisticated and inviting atmosphere. The driver-centric cockpit features sports seats with diamond stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus, which includes a customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The MMI Touch Response infotainment system, with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, ensures that connectivity and entertainment are always at the driver's fingertips. Safety and driver assistance features are paramount in the 2024 Audi S5. The sedan comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features enhance driver confidence and ensure peace of mind on every journey. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi S5 excels as a mid-size sports sedan, combining powerful performance with luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. With its potent engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the S5 offers a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. Whether navigating city streets or enjoying a spirited drive on winding roads, the Audi S5 promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.